Watching what is really just nothing more than just a broad circulation. And that's what the Hurricane Center is saying, why this is not yet a tropical storm. Winds are supportive of it, 40 miles an hour, but there is no closed circulation, none of that tight circulation at the surface. It's overall right now just kind of a broad spin. That spin, if it does get better organized, could become Alberto before it moves inland sometime late tomorrow, early Thursday. Impacts really won't change. We could see some stronger winds if it's able to get a bit better organized. This still looks to be primarily a rainmaker as the main impact as far as the winds or storm surge go. The greater impact will be from some heavy rains that will be pushing into Texas as well as into Mexico. We will continue to see a drier trend here for the rest of the week and into the weekend. But as I mentioned yesterday, the models have been hinting at something trying to develop kind of in the exact same area off of that Central American gyre down to the Bay of Campeche, southwestern Gulf. What the models are though now saying is that we're going to see this upper high build in, and that is going to prevent anything from getting very far north, and that should push that kind of once again almost in the exact same place into the west coast of the Gulf of Mexico or eastern Mexico. So this does not look like it'll be an issue for us the way things stand right now, as the Hurricane Center is highlighting that region for a low-end threat for development in the next 7 days. We'll be watching it closely, but as of right now, the way both the GFS and the Euro stand, that's going to stay well down to our south. Through the rest of the night, we could see an isolated street flooding type downpour, although that doesn't look to be as likely through the rest of this evening, and that threat continues to shift for any more flooding rain farther to the west or farther to our west and more inland as that system pushes farther into Texas and Mexico. Again, regardless of getting a name, it's going to be a big rainmaker. We can add to our totals from the last couple of days with maybe a little bit more rain over the next couple of days, although not much. The, again, greatest accumulations will be farther into southern and central Texas as well as north and central Mexico. Really, the direct impacts for us will continue to be the minor coastal flooding, especially at high tide through tomorrow. Offshore, we have a small craft advisory that will be in effect until Thursday morning as the winds offshore have been increasing. But notice, you don't really find the strong winds right near the center of our PTC number 1. Winds at a buoy just to the west are only at 9 miles an hour gusting. You actually find stronger winds well removed. So this is not a well organized system at all. Again, that doesn't change the impacts. Big rainmaker to our west.